So hello guys, and welcome once again to a new short video. Unfortunately, due to the fact that I'm in the renovation with my house, and with this virus outbreak, I will need to make only short videos. Therefore, since I have a small problem with my car, one of the taillights bulbs went bad. I just want to shortly show you how to change this. Maybe it will help some of you, maybe not, but I think this is a good video and a short one for those of you who want to change their bulbs for themselves. So basically the car has an electronic control unit that notifies you when the bulb is bad. So if you see mine, if I start the car, automatically I will receive the check bulb, one of the bulbs going bad. Let me show you which one is this. Oh yeah, as you can see here, this one is lighting up, but on the other side this one is bad. So I presume this one is not good. So I will show you exactly how to remove this one. Okay, so you have two possibilities here. If you want to remove the whole tail light out, then you have to remove 3 nuts. But if you only want to remove the bad bulb, then the process is very simple. So first of all, it depends on the location, if it is on the right side or the left side. If you have it, if you want to remove the whole tail light assembly on the left side, then you have to pry this door here. You only put your hand behind and then remove this, and then you have 3 nuts, one here, one here, and one up, and then you can take out the whole tail light. In my case, I have only to change the bulb on the right side. For this to happen, you have to remove this battery cover from here, and then here disconnect the connector, sorry, like this, and then click on this button here and remove the whole assembly. So yeah, one side note, there is some cases in which all the bulbs look okay, but for sure one of them or all of them are yeah, bad. In this case, if you see here, for example, this bulb looks intact, the same as other ones, but for sure it's bad. So now I will show you how to find out if it's really bad. So what you have to do, it's remove the bulb by screwing it a little bit, then take a multimeter and put it, any multimeter has this function, put it on continuity, test it. Okay, and then let's hope I can do it with one hand. No sound, so this means clearly that this one is bad. And then on this one, which I know this is good, so yeah, this one is good. So even though some bulbs look okay, like this one, the filament is not broken, it's actually not good. So take a new one, then insert it here, put it back in the car, and then you have a good working bulb. So I hope you like this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.